Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos using Clipchamp. If you want to make your videos unique and interesting, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. If you don't have Clipchamp, you can simply download it from the App Store. Now open it. Now to edit the video, first add the video. Tap onto the new video option. Now choose one video that you want to edit using the Clipchamp app. Now here you can see the video is on your timeline track. Now to edit the video, tap onto the edit button right here. Now from here you can split, crop and add filters and effects to your video. You can also change the volume and speed of the video. Now tap onto the audio button right here and tap onto music. Now here you can find a lot of music that you can add to your video. Tap onto the plus sign button. After a few seconds, the music will be added to your video, just like this. Now from here you can add the voiceover, text to speech and also sound effects to your videos. Next, to add the text, tap onto the text button right here. Again, tap onto text. Now add whatever you want to write and then tap onto the checkmark button. Now here you can find the font and color option. From here you can also change the fonts and color of the text. Now you can also add the overlay, captions and other tools to your videos. Now to add the stickers and emojis to your video, tap onto the overlay button right here and then here you can find the emoji and stickers options. And from here you can choose to add whatever context that you want to add to your videos. Now after editing the video, it's time to save. Tap onto the share button and choose one video quality that you want to add. Now tap onto save video option to save your video. And that's it. This is how you can edit your videos using Clipchamp. Now enjoy making your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.